I'm Gmo, and today I will show you how to open your own GmoneyTrans account. First, download and open the GmoneyTrans app and tap Login and Sign Up. Then select Create New Account. Go ahead and agree to all of terms and conditions, then hit Next. You'll need to take a picture of the front of your ARC card. Check that all information correct before tapping Done and Confirm. After that, take a picture of the back of your card. After you've done that, the app will guide you through face verification. Just agree to the terms and take a picture of your face. Once that's complete, you'll do mobile verification. Enter your Korean phone number and request a verification code. When you receive the code, enter it and tap Confirm. Here, provide the necessary additional information, such as your occupation and a valid email address. Click Get Address or enter your address manually. Then you'll create a unique app login ID that you will use to log into your account. Confirm and create a 6-digit PIN code. Enter the PIN twice to confirm it. The app will then finalize your account setup. Once complete, just tap Finish. For quicker access next time, you can also choose to use biometric authentication like Face ID. You'll also have the option to link a bank account to make your transactions way more easier. And that's it! Your account is all set up. You're ready to explore and use all the app's features. Download GmoneyTrans and open your account now.